Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. So I completed my second skirt off of my fall fashion mood board, and if you haven't checked out my mood board, just click the eye right there so you can check it out. And I have been having a blast. I have been having a lot of fun. So this is this is one of the two skirts that I will be completing for my fashion fall mood board. And this pattern is also taken out of the Naaitrends number 3. I'm going to insert the picture so you can see which magazine I'm talking about, and it is pattern number 21. So the sizes run from size 38 up to 46, and I usually sew a size 34. So what I did is I did draw the size 38, but when I laid it on the fabric, I cut it out without seam allowance, and then I used the seam allowance on my machine to determine like how much I want to take or what my seam allowance is. So I took 1.5 centimeters, and then for my hem I did 2 centimeters. So this is my skirt right here. It is a mini skirt. It has a ruffled detail on it. It has a wide waistband, an exposed zipper, and a vent. So what definitely made me fall in love with this pattern was how they styled it in the magazine. That is something what I really liked. And of course the ruffle detail, because it's something different and it's not just your simple mini skirt, but it has a little pizzazz that I love. So that's what I really liked about it. It has 5 pattern pieces. So you have the front, which is cut on the fold. You got the back that is cut on the soft side. You got the pockets. So these pockets right here. I'm going to look for the exact terminology, and I will just put it either in the screen or in the description below. And lastly, you got the waistband, but you have the front, so like the outer part of the waistband, which is here, and you got the inside of the waistband. I used a new way to insert the exposed zipper. I do like how it stayed, but I need to practice that. I need to practice that some more. That is definite. Alright, here goes nothing. I'm on a little stool, and this is how I styled my mini skirt, my ruffled mini skirt. As you can see, the ruffling is facing down. I styled it with my fake Oxford style shoes, but they are from Handmade. I'm going to leave the link in the description. I'm not sure if they're still available. I have this sweater that I bought from C&A, and this is how oh, and I styled it with some tights because it's quite cold. I'm trying not to fall. This is how it looks in the back, and that's it, you guys. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day. Bye.